this is how we jive for mass communication. I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can disconnect your Bluetooth device with your sound system. If you have LG XBOOM CL98 or any other version, you see I have a huge CL98 here. So let's go to the process. You have to come to your system. The phone, this iPhone 14 is connected with this one. I want to disconnect. So to start, power on your device, Bluetooth, let's see. Okay, unlock your phone, then go to Bluetooth option of your phone. Here we go. I tap. You see LG CL98 is connected. So I want to disconnect. You have to hold this one, then go to Bluetooth setting. Here we go. So I want my phone, forget this device. You see connected here. Tap this one. You see name, you see here, very simple. Forget this device. Hit this one. Say forget device. Forget. That's all. Other devices, it should appear here, the Bluetooth option. So we don't have any more. So this is very simple tutorial if you want to disconnect any device from your LG XBOOM CL98, because you can connect only 3 devices with this. If you connect more than that, you'll have problem. You can't do more than that. So you have to disconnect some of them to connect something new. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.